Hello everybody, it's me Fever, and welcome back to another video. Now, as some of you might know, I recently started collecting Youtooz. You know, I got Vilza, I got Wilbur Simp, and I got the play button man himself, Jack Sucks at Life. Now, you might be wondering, well, why is there another Youtooz video if you only have 3? You've already shown off all 3. That's why we're doing an unboxing today. And you know what? I don't want to keep you too long, but if you do enjoy this kind of content, please do, click that subscribe button down below. And how about we move this over to there and we get to this unboxing. Now, actually, before we do continue, I would like to say only a small percentage of people who actually watch my videos are subscribed. So if you're not already subscribed, please go down there. Click that little subscribe button. It's very appreciated. You can always change your mind down below. We're improving on content every single episode. But I won't. Let's just go to your unboxing. Buddy, it's me, Fever. We are now on the new setup that you probably saw in the back. But you can see, changed around some things. We're gonna be on the already taken to the top. Video. You can see. Let's try and take this out of the box. Revealing what's on the back of the box. You know, if you ever want to know what a Youtooz, there you go. Got eyes on. But we're just gonna throw it over. Here's the UNUS on box. And now we'll take the sleeve off. Yeah, as you can see, inside of it, Mark and E and their honest. And you see in the background, you can see the little hourglass, and that was their thing going on for UNUS honest. On the top though, it said, I can't. It says something. It. Go ahead and do it. Show it off. Difficult. There's a lot of like little Easter around. Top is on the sides. It says, I don't know what's going on, Mark. That happened. No idea what he was doing. I'm gonna be completely honest. But on the back though, it says, "We live our lives, taking each second for granted. But what if you knew? But what if you knew how much time you had left? Who is honest?" We have Mento Memora, free. However you say it, which is just. I don't really have much to say in this. I haven't done an unboxing before. But if you don't know what UNUS honest was, it was a thing between Mark and Ethan channel. They gave it a year. They upload every day on it. It was fun content. It's no longer up. The channel was deleted. I'm sure there's re-upload somewhere. I know a lot of people did download the videos ahead of time. But yeah. If you didn't get this, very sorry. Our limited edition, but if you did watch UNUS honest or something, it is a figure, especially since hopefully though. But that's fine. We will definitely fix it. If you're new to this channel, don't take things off. Don't take things Right, please. But yeah, so that'll be it for this. I know it's short and not really much happened. But, an unboxing. Hopefully next time we'll do better than this. We'll make the next video better. But if you want to see more kind of content like this, more unboxings, more Youtooz content, hit subscribe down below. I have another Youtooz on the way. It's currently shipped and will be in sometime soon, hopefully. But that's it for me today. Go check out my other content. I do Funko Pop stuff too, and some skits. If you're new around here, definitely do hit the subscribe button. If you're recurring, just hit a like down below, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.